October 31st, 2015, Saturday. Lots of rain on the mountains. I don't know if you can see this, but we have waterfalls all over the place. Okay, this mountain ridge right here, the highest part of this part of the Koolau Mountain Range is called Pu'ulanihuli. I think it means mountain where the heavens turn. Pu'ulanihuli. Pu'ulanihuli. You can barely see that waterfall. A little bit too much rain. Okay, that's the summit. Roughly, I think it's 2,600 feet above sea level. Right there in the center, look a picture of the profile of a person facing down, the nose. You can see the nose right in the center of the screen. It's called Kahi's Angel. Okay, that's looking past the Pali Lookout. On the other side of the Pali Lookout, windward side, looking towards town. Waterfalls there. Usually, we don't have them on that side of the mountain. Must have been really raining hard up there. Okay, right center of the screen is Pali Lookout. See the clouds covering the top of Pu'ulanihuli. Thick waterfalls today, really thick. Time now is about 11 in the morning. Let me see if I can get a close up. Okay, going towards the Pali. That's the V by the Pali Lookout. And right there, center of the screen, is the Pali Lookout, but nobody's there right now. I guess it's too rainy. And what we're looking at is Pu'ukonahuanui. Pu'ukonahuanui, 3,000 feet, 3,100 feet above sea level, and it means a mountain where the great mountain where the south wind plays. Pu'ukonahuanui. Back to Pu'ulanihuli, mountain where the heaven turns. Okay, aloha from the backyard in Kaneohe.